Hey, I'm Ken with Hardcore Chassis. I'm going to show y'all guys a couple of little tricks on the Jackpot systems. A lot of times we see a crank with no start issue, and I'm going to show you the first thing to check. What we want to do is, just because you have a RPM signal doesn't mean it's going to run. Okay, we're going to go into monitors, and then monitors. And then this is actually a 24X system. So we'll hit 24X and we'll page over. Okay, and here we have the crank state and we have the cam state. All right, as we spin it over, it just says sync A, sync B. All right, if the cam sensor or the crank sensor is magnetized, it will not sync. So we're going to put a good cam sensor and a crank sensor in it and show you the difference. Right here is the crank sensor that we're going to install. It's not magnetized. This one is. All right, we'll go back to the monitor. All right, we have an RPM signal, but you can actually see this light here flashing now. So let's go back to monitor. As you can see, it says stop. And then as we turn it over, it says count. So now the engine, it will fire off. Look at this light right here. This is for like your RPM signal.
Okay.
And this one's the fuel pump. So when it's actually syncing, that will blink fast. With the other crank sensor in it, it didn't blink.
Interesting.
Yeah, but they can go right in the software. It's built into it, and it'll tell you if it's syncing or not.
Okay.